Okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you how outputs work from this point of view. The outputs we're looking for really are the range output here. Again, if you watched the previous video, you know there is a rectangular flag covering the range meter when it is turned off. This flag is controlled by this tiny little circuit here, this square brass rectangle here, and the little lever in the middle of it. And this is the main output I want you to look at really, so I'm just going to activate that output now. Okay, so I just activated the output, and as you can see the arm has moved up very slightly here, and obviously when we deactivate the output the arm would move down. On the top here, this is actually the circuitry for the range pulse counter. If you'd watched the previous video, you'd know that the range counter works off a pulse initiation, and there's a small chip there, and this chip is a standard pulse counter, and it works basically off pulses. The more pulses you give it, the higher the number goes, and so on. What you can see here, this is a potentiometer. However, if you look closely, you'll see there's 9 wires coming off it, which you might think is very unusual. A potentiometer should have 3. It's actually because there's 3 potentiometers with 3 wires each, and this is because no single potentiometer can have an operation range of more than 359 degrees. So what we've done is we've overlapped the potentiometers, so when one is out of range, another one is in range. And this is required because obviously the course pointer moves through 360 degrees constantly, so that's why those everlasting potentiometer circuit is required.